Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing about Jainism, Buddhism and Mauryan Empire. When it comes to Jainism and Buddhism, it started from 16th century. Okay, 16th century is considered as wonderful century in the history because the thinkers like Buddha, Mahavira, Zoroaster lived and preached their ideas. But when it comes to India, due to the Vedic culture, the religious unrest was seen between the people and they wanted to move out of orthodox because Vedas and Upanishads was forcefully imposed on common people and they needed simple religion to understand. This need was fulfilled by Buddha and Mahavira through their teaching. That is how Jainism and Buddhism started flourishing in India. We'll see the questions now. First question. The first Tirthankara of Jains was option A. Mahavira, option B. Parshvanath, option C. Achitanath, option D. Rishabhanath. So, the correct answer will be option D. Rishabha or Rishabhanath or Adinath or Adishwara. See, Rishabhanath was Rishabhanath was first Tirthankara of Jains. What is Tirthankara? Tirthankara means spiritual guru. And Mahavira was 24th and he was the last Tirthankara of Jains. Okay. And Parshvanath was 23rd Tirthankara. Next question. Gandhara School of Arts came into existence in option A. Hinayana sect, option B. Mahayana sect, option C. Vaishnava sect, option D. Shaiva sect. So Gandhara School of Arts was started by Kanishka. Okay, Kanishka was the person who was responsible to start Mahayana sect in 4th Buddhist Council. Hinayana sect was preached by Buddha and it was propagated by Ashoka. But in Hinayana sect, the Buddha was not treated as God. But in Mahayana, idol worship started. So the correct answer will be option B, Mahayana sect. So when it comes to School of Arts, there are three: Gandhara School of Sculpture, Mathura School of Sculpture and Amaravati School of Sculpture. Gandhara and Mathura both was started by Kanishka. And Amaravati is an indigenously developed art. Next question. Who, according to the Buddhist, is the believer to the next incarnation of Gautam Buddha? Option A. Atreya, option B. Maitreya, option C. Nagarjuna, option D. Kalki. So the correct answer will be option B. Maitreya. So factual information, just remember Maitreya. Next question. Which among the following is the sacred book of Buddhist? Option A. Upanishad, option B. Vedas, option C. Tripitakas, option D. Jatakas. So the correct answer will be option C. Tripitakas. Tripitakas was sacred book of Buddhist and it has three types. One is Vinaya Pitaka and Supta Pitaka and Abhidhamma Pitaka. Remember these three names. Next question. Ashoka called the third Buddhist council at option A. Pataliputra, option B. Magadha, option C. Kalinga, option D. Saranath. So the correct answer is option A. Pataliputra. See, the first council was held in Rajgriha by Ajatashatru and second Buddhist council in Vaishali by Karl Ashoka. Third Buddhist council, as I said, by Ashoka in Pataliputra. Fourth Buddhist council, Kashmir by Kanishka. Remember all these four Buddhist Council. Next question. Buddhism made an important impact by following two sections of society into its fold. They were option A, merchant and priest, option B, moneylenders and slaves, option C, warriors and traders, option D, women and Shudras. So the correct answer will be option D, women and Shudras. See, in Vedic culture, they were ill-treated by the people, and that is the reason they were easily influenced by Buddhism. Next question. Name the clan Buddha belonged to. Option A, Gantrika, option B, Maurya, option C, Shakya, option D, Kuru. So the correct answer will be option C, Shakya. So Buddha belonged to Shakya clan. Okay. And Buddha was born in Lumbini in Nepal. So Shakya clan was famous in Lumbini. It is in present day Nepal. Next question. Which of the following is not one of the animal carved in the Saranath pillar? Option A, humped bull, option B, deer, option C, elephant, option D, horse. So the correct answer is option B, deer. Okay. See, Saranath pillar was built by Ashoka because the first ceremony of Buddha held in Saranath. So Saranath pillar consists of 4 animals: horse, ox, elephant and lion. Remember these animal names. Next question. The paintings of Ajanta depict the stories of option A, Ramayana, option B, Mahabharata, option C, Jataka, option D, Panchatantra. So the correct answer will be option C, Jataka. See, Jataka are related to Buddha, birth of Buddha. Okay. So Ajanta paintings describes about Buddhism. Next question. Who was the mother of Mahavira? Option A, Yashoda, option B, Anoja, option C, Trishala, option D, Devanandi. So the correct answer will be option C, Trishala. Okay. See, Mahavira was born to Lichavi clan and it is in Kundagrama near Vaishali. His father was Siddhartha and mother was Trishala. Next question. Lord Mahavira died at option A, Stravana Belagula, option B, Lumbini Garden, option C, Kundagrama, option D, Pavapuri. So the correct answer will be option D, Pavapuri. It can be death or parinirvana. Remember this. Both are same. Next question. Chandragupta Maurya was an adherent follower of option A, Sikhism, option B, Jainism, option C, Buddhism, option D, Judaism. So Chandragupta Maurya was a follower of Jainism. Okay. Jainism and Buddhism, there are few kings who followed these sects. See, now I'll tell about Jainism. Jainism was followed by Chandragupta Maurya, Karavela of Kalinga, Gangas, Kadambas, Chalukyas and Rashtrakutas. And Buddhism was followed by Ashoka, Kanishka, Bimbisara and Ajatashatru and Kosala. Okay, remember these king names and to which sect they belong to. Next question. Santara is a religious ritual of Dash community. Option A, Sikhs. Option B, Jewish. Option C, Jains. Option D, Buddhist. So the correct answer will be option C, Jain. So what is Santara? Fast into death. Okay, Chandragupta Maurya died due to Santara. He followed Santara. Okay, and in Jainism they can be divided into two types: Shwetambaras and Digambaras. Shwetambaras followed Santara religious ritual, not Digambaras. In Buddhism, bull is related to what incident of Buddha's life? Option A, birth. Option B, Mahabhinishkramana. Option C, enlightenment. Option D, Mahaparinirvana. So the correct answer will be option A, birth. See, the bull is related to birth. Now we'll see the symbol and the event. Buddha's birth is related to lotus and bull. Okay, symbolized to lotus and bull. The great departure or Mahabhinishkramana or enlightenment, Bodhi tree, first ceremony wheel, death or Parinirvana to Supta. Okay. Remember all this. Next question. Which one of the following ruler was not contemporary to Buddha? Option A, Hudan. Option B, Bimbisara. Option C, Ajatashatru. Option D, Mahapadmananda. So the correct answer is option D, Mahapadmananda. We already seen in Magadha rule that Bimbisara and Ajatashatru were contemporary to Buddha but not Mahapadmananda because he belonged to Nanda dynasty. Okay. Next question. A collective term used by Jains for their sacred book is option A, Prabandhas, option B, Angas, option C, Nibandhas, option D, Chaityas. So the correct answer is option B, Angas. What is Angas? Angas means a sacred text of Jainism based on the teachings of Tirthankaras. Okay. Next question. Mahavira's first disciple was option A, Bhadrabahu, option B, Stulabhadra, option C, Charvaka, option D, Jhamali. So the correct answer will be option B, Jhamali. Jhamali was none other than his son-in-law. Next question. A collective term used by the Jains for their sacred book is option A, Prabandhas, option B, Angas, option C, Nibandhas, option D, Charitas. So the correct answer is option B, Angas. Next question. The Chinese travelers visited India primarily because option A, they were interested in Buddhism. Option B, they were invited by 10 Indian kings. They were interested to study Indian culture. They were interested to study in India. So the correct answer is option A, they were interested in Buddhism. See, many Chinese travelers came to India to study about Buddhism, okay? And they learned Buddhism from Nalanda University. The site of birth or nativity of Gautam Buddha is marked by option A, monastery, option B, Rumindi pillar of Ashoka Maurya. Option C, statue. Option D, people's tree. So, correct answer will be option B, Rumindi pillar of Ashoka. See, Rumindi pillar was inscribed by Ashoka during his pilgrimage to Lumbini, which was the birthplace of Buddha. That pillar tells about Ashoka's visit to Lumbini, and he exempted Lumbini from paying tax. Next question. Which among the following is the oldest dynasty? Option A, Maurya. Option B, Gupta. Option C, Kushana. Option D, Kanva. So the correct answer will be option A, Maurya. Maurya was the oldest dynasty. After Mauryas, Guptas. After Guptas, Kanvas. Then Kushanas. Remember this order. Who amongst the following also add the name Devana Priyadarshi? Options are option A, Mauryan King Ashoka. Option B, Mauryan King Chandragupta Maurya. Option C, Gautam Buddha. Option D, Bhagavan Mahavira. So the correct answer will be option A, Mauryan King Ashoka. What is Devana Priyadarshini means? Is a servant to the god. Okay, it is mentioned in his inscriptions. Next question. The illustrious name of Aryabhatta and Varmahir are associated with the age of options are option A, Guptas. Option B, Kushanas. Option C, Mauryans. Option D, Palas. So the correct answer is option A, Guptas. See, they both were seen in the court of Chandragupta II. Next question. The Greek ambassador sent to Chandragupta Maurya court was. Options are options A, Kautilya. Option B, Cellulus Nicator. Option C, Megasthenes. Option D, Justin. So the correct answer is Megasthani. Megasthani came to Chandragupta Maurya court and he wrote the book Indica, which accounts the Mauryan Indian rules. Next question. The monk who influenced Ashoka to embrace Buddhism was. Option A, Vishnugupta. Option B, Upagupta. Option C, Brahmagupta. Option D, Badrinath. Ashoka started embracing Buddhism after Kalinga war. Okay. And he was influenced by Upagupta. So answer B will be correct. Next question. In Mauryan dynasty, Kalinga war took place in the year option A, 260 BC, option B, 261 BC, option C, 126 BC, option D, 232 BC. So the correct answer will be option B, 261 BC, and it is mentioned in rock inscription, that is 13th rock inscription of Ashoka. Next question. Ghatotkacha, who ruled in the years 290 to 305 BC, was a king from which dynasty? Option A, Gupta dynasty. Option B, Kanva dynasty. Option C, Shunga dynasty. Option D, Mauryan dynasty. So the correct answer is option A, Gupta dynasty. So he belonged to Gupta dynasty and he was the son of Sri Gupta, who was the founder of Gupta dynasty. Chandragupta Maurya spent his last days here. Option A, Kashi. Option B, Pataliputra. Option C, Ujjain. Option D, Shravanabelagola. See, Chandragupta Maurya influenced by Jainism. So, Shravanabelagola is famous for Jainism. By catching this idea, you can mark option D, Shravanabelagola. Okay. Next question. The capital of Mauryan kingdom was located at option A, Pataliputra, option B, Vaishali, option C, Lumbini, option D, Gaya. They are asking capital of Mauryan kingdom. So the correct answer will be option A, Pataliputra. Okay. Mauryans asked four important capital. Okay. One is Pataliputra, Taxila, Ujjain and Shravanagiri. Remember these four names, four city names. Okay. Next question. In which rock edict Ashoka mentions about the casualties of Kalinga war and declares the renunciation of the war? Option A, Musky Edicts. Option B, Rock Edict 13. Option C, Rock Edict 11. Option D. So the correct answer will be option B, Rock Edict 13. And in Rock Edict 13, he mentions about his victory over Kalinga and his policy of Dharma. Okay, next question. Who among the following was the court physician of Kanishka? Option A, Vasumitra. Option B, Nagarjuna. Option C, Charaka. Option D, Patanjali. So the correct answer will be option C, Charaka. Charaka was the court physician of Kanishka. Next question. Who was the founder of Shatavahana Empire? Option A, Kanha. Option B, Simmuka. Option C, Ala. Option D, Gautami Putra. So the correct answer is option B, Simmuka. See, Shatavahana succeeded Mauryans in Deccan and Central, and it was founded by Simmuka. Kalinga's ruler Karivela gave his protection to option A, Hinduism, option B, Shaivism, option C, Buddhism, option D, Jainism. So the correct answer is Shaivism. Karivela was the greatest ruler of which Chedi dynasty? Option A, Cholamandalam, option B, Kalinga, option C, Kanuj, option D, Purushapura. So the correct answer will be option B, Kalinga. Next question. Which dynasty immediately succeeded the Mauryan dynasty and ruled Magadha kingdom? Option A, Shatavahana, option B, Shunga, option C, Nanda, option D, Kanva. So the correct answer will be option B, Shunga. Succeeded Mauryans in Magadha region. In Deccan and Central, they were succeeded by Shatavahanas. But in Magadha, they were succeeded by Shungas. Next question. The year of accession of Kanishka to the throne was option A, 108 AD, option B, 78 AD, option C, 58 AD, option D, 128 AD. So the correct answer is option B, 78 AD. And Kanishka was the greatest king of Kushana dynasty and he marked the starting of Shaka era. Next question. The capital of Kanishka was option A Puraspura, option B Banaras, option C Allahabad, option D Saranath. So the correct answer will be option A Puraspura. Kanishka had two important capital. Okay, one is Puraspura and another is Mathura. Remember these two capital. Next question. Shatavahanas minted their coins predominantly in option A lead, option B silver, option C gold, option D copper. So silver and copper was famous in Gupta dynasty. Copper was seen in Vedic and left out is lead. So the correct answer is lead. Next question. Who was the author of the Kadambari, a romantic play? Option A Bhanadatta, option B Harshavardhana, option C Bhaskaravardhana, option D Bindusara. So the correct answer will be option A Bhanadatta. Bhanadatta was a court poet of Harshavardhana. Okay, he was a romantic poet. Next question. The greatest development in Kushana period was in the field of option A religion, option B art, option C literature, option D architecture. See, Kushana period marked the importance of art. I already said you they developed Gandhara art and Mathura school of art. So option B will be the correct answer. Next question. Who among the following were contemporaries to Kanishka? Option A Kamban, Bhanadatta, Ashwagosha. Option B Nagarjuna, Ashwagosha, Vasumitra. Option C Ashwagosha, Kalidasa and Bhanadatta. Option D Kalidasa, Kadamba and Vasumitra. See, Kalidasas, Kadambas, they were of South Indian poets. So they were not related to Kanishka. When it comes to Nagarjuna, Ashwagosha and Vasumitra, they were Vedic period poets. Okay. So the correct answer will be option A. Next question. The rulers of which dynasty started the practicing of granting free villages to Brahmanas and Buddhist monks? So option A Shatavahanas, option B Mauryans, option C Guptas, option D Cholas. So the correct answer will be Shatavahanas. We'll be seeing more about Shatavahanas when we come to their chapter. Okay. Next question. Yavanika or curtain was introduced in Indian theatre by which of the following? Option A Shakas, option B Parthians, option C Greeks, option D Kushans. So the correct answer will be option C Greeks. Greeks introduced Yavanika or the curtains to Indian theatres. This is a factual information. Remember it. So thank you very much. Tomorrow we'll be discussing Shatavahanas and Gupta dynasty.